turn it over to Hank Greenberg, who is president of the New York State Bar Association. Hank?
Thank you, Governor, for the honor and privilege to join you and the other people who are here today to talk about legislation that the state needs to ban the gay and panic legal defense and legalize gestational surrogacy. Let me thank you as well, Governor, for your tireless leadership on behalf of women and the LGBTQ community. It's more than just tireless, it is singularly successful. In the modern history of New York State, no person is more responsible for making the Empire State the progressive capital of the nation than Andrew Cuomo, and I thank you on behalf of all New Yorkers for that. It's my privilege to serve as the president of the New York State Bar Association. And over our 142-year history, the State Bar has led on issues of profound importance to the legal profession and to the public. And it's that legacy and tradition that brings me here today. The foundation of our state and nation is the constitutional principle, the bedrock principle of our country, equal justice under law. It is a simple yet profound idea that each of us is entitled to fair and equal treatment under law. The legislative proposals that the governor spoke about so eloquently and we are here to discuss this morning, if enacted into law, will make real the promise of equal justice under law. The so-called gay panic defense, for example. The gay panic defense is based on the horrific, noxious concept that LGBTQ lives are worth less than others. That concept is violative of our core values as a people. It is the very antithesis of equality under law, equal justice under law. It's a defense, as the governor said so well, that essentially codifies homophobia, transphobia, unthinkable in New York State. Nevertheless, it continues to be permitted in our courts. That should stop immediately. This defense should be banned from our courts once and for all. On the issue of surrogacy, New York laws are hopelessly out of date. As we heard before, New York is the progressive capital of our nation. Therefore, it is unthinkable that we stand alone or close to alone from 47 other states that have legalized gestational surrogacy. It is supported by the American Bar Association. It is supported by the New York City Bar Association. I am proud to be here today to support it as well. The proposed changes in the current version of the bill reflects advances in medical technology and makes it easier for non-biological parents to establish legal parenthood. The state should not dictate what women may or may not do with their bodies. A legal framework is clearly necessary to permit women to safely become a gestational surrogate if they choose to do so, and that framework must guarantee, as the current proposal does, the availability of legal counsel and appropriate health care protections. As the governor put it aptly and right, we need to be the model for the nation, and the bill that is likely to pass in the Senate today would create the most rigorous, protective set of laws and regulations in the nation. So over the next few days, the legislature has an opportunity, a real chance to make history, to make equal justice under law a living, breathing reality. I urge lawmakers to seize that opportunity by once and for all banning the gay and trans panic legal defense and legalizing gestational surrogacy. Thank you very much.